Bank APIs are fundamentally broken. I built an AI product strategist to find the fix. The result? Pulso wallet. It bypasses failing syncs using neural ingestion to read your receipts directly. To figure out exactly what to build, I basically hired a product strategist. I spun up a custom Gemini agent, fitted my initial ideas, and had it run a deep research sweep across app stores and Reddit. I told it to find the blue ocean and where the incumbents failing the hardest. The data came back clear. Everyone hates bank integrations, especially in LatAm. APIs like Plate just dropped constantly. Users are forced back to manual entry. So instead of competing with apps that have 100 million in funding and working APIs, I'm targeting the market where the bank sync is essentially broken. We named it Pulso Wallet, Pulso for Pulse. Instead of simple notification catching, we're building a financial brain with a neural ingestion engine. You upload a bank receipt or it reads it directly from your email. Teach the AI where to route the money, and it learns the structure forever. It itemizes your receipts automatically. I broke the build into phases. The alpha is purely focused on that core email ingestion and the human in the loop training. Once that works, we move to the MVP. We even drafted a pricing model where basic automation is free, but the intelligent neural ingestion is the premium tier. The blueprint is locked in and the MVP phase starts next. Are you guys currently dealing with broken band connections, or do you still prefer manual entry to keep the control? Let me know. I will see you on threads to discuss this.